Okay, you guys, today we are frying pickles. All right, so the first step, you want to take your pickles out of the jar and put them on either some aluminum foil or, a plate. Basically, we want them to dry out a little bit because we want the batter to stick to them. So I have my pickles sitting here and I'm going to get ready to fry them. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I have some batter here. This is just flour, a little bit of cornmeal, and seasoning. So I have all my seasonings over here lined up. I use paprika, Himalayan pink sea salt, onion powder, black powder, lemon pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. And I just combined it with water to make this batter, so no eggs needed. And then I have a little bit of flour here that I'm going to use as well. Okay, so let's get started. First, you want to take your pickle and you want to dip it in flour. Then take your pickle, dip it in the batter. Take your pickle, dip it in the flour again. And then you want to drop your pickle in your grease. Okay, so you want to continue that step of dipping your pickles in the flour and the batter, and then you want to put your pickles in your pan or pot to fry. So I will be back with the finished product. Okay, you guys, this is our finished product. These are our fried pickles. They look absolutely amazing. Let me change the lighting so you guys can see them really well. They look so good. They're so crunchy and I'm so excited. I would bite this, but it's so hot. Oh my God. So good. So there you have it, you guys, fried pickles.